The sound of let's fucking go!
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn or near Evansville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Evansville, Brooklyn, Fulton, and Cooksville. People attending the Stoughton Junior Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.